This is a 5-step tutorial on how to win. And yes, this is applicable to anything. So without further ado, let's get into it. First step is you have to set achievable goals. We call these SMART goals. These are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-logged goals. I know that was long, but take notes. Yeah, these goals help you basically stay laser focused on the task at hand so you can make steady progress. You know what I'm saying? You have to know where you're at and where you're going, and SMART goals help you get there. So, set out your SMART goals. They got to be specific. They have to be measurable, some type of number on it, like $1,000, $1 million, or maybe work out twice a week, some type of numerical value to it. And then you have to add achievable. You have to be able to achieve it now. Don't tell me you're going to make $1 million tomorrow. Come on now. Be realistic. If you can, you can. Hey, you blowing my mind away, but be realistic, relevant. Achievable, I mean. And then R, we got relevant. They have to do something with the bigger goal at hand. So, the goal is to get strong. So you're going to work out twice a week till failure. That's an achievable, measurable and relevant to you getting stronger, and getting healthier. And then time logged, you have to give it a deadline. Without a deadline, you're going to sit there and just be doing it for the rest of your life, wasting time, valuable time you could be doing other things you want to do. So yeah, make sure you set SMART goals. Stay laser focused. You got to know where you're at and where you're going, or where you're at and where you're going. But yeah, that's number one, setting small achievable goals or big achievable goals. Just achievable goals, just achievable goals in general. But yeah, on to number two, mastering execution. Now, I know you guys are wondering, what does that mean? You gonna kill us? No, execution as in taking care of the task at hand. Now, when you master execution, you want to develop a routine, and then you want to apply self-discipline to it. Whatever the routine is, whether it be I wake up at 7:30 a.m., make my bed, get ready for the day, work out, whatever it is, that's the routine, and you add self-discipline to it. And that self-discipline is you telling yourself, no matter what happens at hand, this task must get done. That's the art of execution, and the art of execution can take you so far. So yeah, add that to your little toolbox. You need that to win. Yes, you really need it to win. Whether it was 2025, 2026, 2027, or 2050, I don't care what it is. You need to master the art of execution. But yeah, that's number two. All right, on to number three, like I said. Now, number three is learn from failure. Basically, what that means is after every single setback, instead of crying like a little kid, maybe pull up your big boy pants, big girl pants, and analyze what you did wrong and improve on it so that next time you can do better. No one in life has ever won without failing, no matter what they've done. Whether they play football, whether they play soccer, whether it's trying to become a millionaire, whether it's trying to retire their mom. Until you fail, you can never win. And if you won without failing, then you've never won truly. So yeah, learn from failing. Analyze what you did wrong, and then, improve from it. But yeah, that's number three. We're going to keep that one short and simple. Number four, stay adaptable and evolve. I know you're thinking, bro, what type of weird science fiction stuff is this dude on? There's nothing weird. You have to be able to adapt and evolve. Basically, what that means, you have to regularly assess everything you're doing in your routine and see if you can make little tiny improvements that can better help you win or reach your goals at hand. It can be as simple as, maybe instead of waking up at 7, I'm going to instead wake up at 6:30. Little things that can help you get through your goals and win better. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, you want to be able to adapt and evolve. You can do that a number of ways, but just make sure that however you do it is to smoothen out the rough edges and to help you better stay focused and help you basically make your path easier to winning. So why do it the hard way? Work smarter, not harder, man. So yeah, learn to evolve and adapt. Number 5, having a positive mindset. Put that big old smile on your face, man. You want to be able to surround yourself with people who have positive attitudes so that it rubs off on you. Stop focusing on the situation you're in and start focusing on the problem at hand. Solve the problem. Don't cry about it. I understand there are moments of weaknesses where you might need that 1-day pity party, 2-hour pity party, whatever you need to get done. But you have to understand though, focusing on the problem at hand and solving the problem at hand will help you more than just sitting there and crying about it or complaining or bitching about it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, focus on the problem at hand. You know, keep a positive attitude and make sure you're surrounding yourself with people with positive attitudes so that you can get a positive outcome. But yeah, those are the 5 steps, a 5-step tutorial on how to win at anything. And like I said, it's applicable to anything in life. If I'm wrong, comment down below on how I'm wrong, man. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Make sure you check out all my other videos down below. They'll be in the description. And yeah, it's your boy Icy Mike, man. We out. Let's have a great 2025. You dig?